We're now going to have a look at how you can create your own symbol type. Out of the box, AutoCAD Electrical comes with an IC library, and of course it comes with a single line library. So if we go to Schematics, Icon Menu, you'll see you've got single line components. Now you can actually create your own submenus, and we can do that now. We could create something such as a block diagram or circuit diagram submenu. Of course we can add the icon menu later, but we'll just accept. Within here we could have the same subsections as can be seen within the single components. In this example, what we're going to do is just actually associate a single line component with a detailed design, such as a motor. And when we place this down, how we pick up the tags is we select schematic, and you can see there's my schematic component, which is on drawing number 2. And I'm going to copy the tag, but making sure I copy all of the values as well. And there you can see the item. And if we navigate from this, I can navigate from the parent device and back to the single line. Now it may be that we have another style of drawing. For the purposes of this movie, I'm just going to do it on the same drawing. So I'm going to copy this item. Rather than recreate one, I can explode it, of course, and it might be that I change some of the graphics, but the important one here is the WD type, and you can see that says single line. So if you want to create a new symbol type, all we have to do is enter the default value as being BD. I'm just going to pretend that the graphics are fine, and we're going to save this symbol into our icon menu. Let's make a slight change. As I said, the important one here is that the WD type is set to a different value other than 1 dash. Close the block editor, and in this instance I could call it VMO1, and what I'll do is I'll just put dash BD, and what I might wish to do is store that in a separate library, separate subdirectory of IEC2 called BD as well. Create the icon image, obviously specify the base point, it's a motor, and that's the catalogue lookup, and we'll say OK. Now we're going to insert it on our drawing, and apart from the base point, there's our new symbol. Now I can associate that with M1 motor or the single line component, doesn't matter which one I associate it with. And that's now linked. So now we've got 3 representations of the same component. And again, if I use Surfer, I've now got a category of parent, schematic item, block diagram. As you can appreciate, my zoom, my base point is incorrect, and my single line component. 3 components all listed. When we go to reports, You now get a new section called BD because we've just entered that in. Schematic, one line, and BD is now there as a filtered item, so you can filter those items out so that you only get one component listed.